Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen an image in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, open your image in Adobe Photoshop, select your photo layer, press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate layer. Now once you have created a duplicate layer, what you have to do is go to the filter on the top, go to others, go to high pass. Now in the radius section, select it to 5 pixels, hit OK. Now once done, what you have to do is select the blending mode from normal, linear light, select linear light, and then what you have to do is reduce the opacity to 50%, type in 50 here. Now once you're done, if I zoom in inside the photo, this was the before and this is the after result. As you can see, there is a lot of sharpness in my image. So that's basically how you can sharpen an image in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.